Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. My name is Swathi and today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day. This is a classic video theme on YouTube and I really like to watch such videos and see what people eat in a day. So here's my version of what I eat in a day. Starting off with some regular water. Ideally, you should be having some warm or lukewarm water first thing in the morning, but I just can't, so some regular water. And at this point, I also like to do a little bit of journaling. Now, I've started doing this only very recently, but I'm liking it. Now it's time for breakfast, and today I have dosa, sambar, almonds. Almonds are apparently better if you peel the skin off. I didn't know that, but now I know. And a huge bowl of pomegranate. Pomegranate is my favorite fruit, so I definitely don't mind that. And also a cup of chai, Indian milk tea. This is my favorite. This is basically like comfort in a cup. I don't have chai on a regular basis, but when I have, I love it. And to give me company, I have an episode of Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I like to watch something when I'm eating breakfast. Right now it's around lunchtime and usually I have my lunch with Amod, but today he's gone for golf, so I'm all by myself. And for lunch I have a bowl. So this is basically a very Indian version of quinoa. I really like quinoa. I think it's very satiating and high in protein. So this is a very Indian version because this has like curry patta, Indian masalas and everything. So it's really tasty as well. Now when people say quinoa, it is often associated with diet and all. I'm not on any diet, but I like to eat clean on weekdays and cheat on weekends. Today is a Friday, so this is a part of my clean meal. And I have this with some dahi and pickle. I'm going to mix everything and have it. Now, because today I'm all by myself, I'm going to watch another episode of Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Usually I don't do that at lunchtime because Amod doesn't like to do it. So don't tell him. Right now it's around 5 p.m. and it's time for some coffee. This is filter coffee. I'm sure you would have seen this in my other videos. This is basically the only type of coffee that we have in the house, so filter coffee it is. And this is black coffee, plain black coffee. I do think that this is an acquired taste because when I first started having filter coffee, I had to have it with milk and sugar or jaggery. But now I really don't mind this. In fact, I like it. I like the little bitterness of this. But the best part about my evening is the snack. Just look at this. These are basically Gujarati peanuts. So tasty. The only thing is that they are a little hard to come by. You can find it on Amazon. There is this brand called Diamond. They make these peanuts. I mean, they sell these peanuts. Right now it's around 7:30 in the evening and our boy is back.
Hello. So it's a holiday for me tomorrow, but it's not a long weekend because I have work on Saturday. In any case, we're going to have a nice, chilled, relaxed evening. And what are we doing?
So we've invited a friend over for dinner. She's going to come and we are going to have some Vietnamese food.
Delicious.
Now, if you watch my Vietnam vlogs, then you would know how much I love Vietnamese food. So we are going to make it at home today and let's make it. Oh, I completely forgot to mention what we are making today. So today we are making bun bo nam bo. I really liked it when I had it in Vietnam. And then I got the recipe from our dearest YouTube. I will leave a link to the video that I saw if you're interested in making this dish. It's a very easy recipe, and also this dish is pretty healthy, so it's good.
Can't get my mind away from thoughts of you. 2 weeks ago today, you were just the girl I drew. And now I think it's time that we decide, lovers or friends.
Finally, dinner is served. It looks pretty good. So how this dish works is that you first make everything and then you mix it all in, and that's how it works. And here is our friend Mimi. Hi, this is fabulous. So now I'm going to have my dinner, and probably this is going to be the last meal of the day.
You and I be easier as us.
That's all for this video. I also like to drink a glass of samahan. Samahan is basically an immunity booster, and you definitely need some good immunity during these times. So this is everything that I had today. Each day is different and every meal is different, but this is what I had today, and I hope that you enjoyed watching my version of what I eat in a day. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.